Okay, Garmin, save video. Get all that maneuvering and all that stupid speeding just Okay, Garmin, save video. Garmin, save video. Dumbass speeder. Okay, Garmin, save video. Don't be like this dumbass and not have any of your lights on. Holy shit. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Never be this kind of asshole. Jesus Christ. Okay, Garmin, save video. Fucking entitled asshat piece of shit pickup truck drivers. Learn how to fucking drive, you inconsiderate, entitled, inbred retards. Garmin, save video. Save video. Fucking retard. I was already going like 70. That's 25 above. That retard's going like 90. Okay, Garmin, save video. All that speeding to go there, fucking flower power retard. Okay, Garmin, save video. Typical pickup truck. This is the third pickup truck that's unnecessarily speeding, even though I'm already going 5 over. Fucking inbred retards that can't fucking read and have no skill, and that's 5 over, and wouldn't you know it, 2 trucks are passing by because they're illiterate inbred retards that don't know how to drive and can't read the speed limit. I'm already going 5 over. Fucking inbred retards that can't fucking read and have no skill in driving. Oh, I'm going fast. That makes me good. No, it makes you a fucking retard.
Who's gonna make this? I am the game. You don't wanna play. I am control the way you shoot. I am your name. No, you can't pay me. I am your pain. I know you can't take me. What is it is you're gonna be the same? You're gonna change your name. You're gonna die in flames. Time to play the game.
Okay, Garmin, save video. 2 fucking illiterate inbred retards that can't read, unnecessarily speeding, morons. Learn how to drive. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Hey, look at that. Out of my area, sheriff. A Ohio sheriff. Oh my. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video.
But yeah, you get the trucks, they'll sit there and start slowly going, and then like a mile or two down the road, they pass you doing like 90 mile an hour, and you're like, what the fuck, dude?
Okay, Garmin, save video.
That's a fun one for your Michigander friends.
Yep, that's exactly why I saved it.
Be like, hey, guess what's legal in Florida?
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin, save video. Someone had a total flip. They totally flipped over. Okay, Garmin, save video. Yep, we're in Georgia, all right. Already saw 2 people pulled over.